What's going on, guys? It's Welcome back to another video. We're at Stir56's house. And
not sponsored by Boston.
Boston, if you're watching this, okay. Anyway, so we're playing Slime Ranchers right now. I hope Boston doesn't come over now.
Just like, hey guys. Oh, gee.
Not sponsored by that, by the way. Not sponsored. Sprite. Not sponsored by Ekakui, the boogeyman. And not sponsored. Not sponsored by Minecraft. I wish we were. Not sponsored by Merry Christmas. Not sponsored by Christmas Tree.
And that Merry Christmas sign, not fat up.
Are you ready? Guys, we're going to be doing a backflip. I'm going to go this way so I don't break your... Ready, set. Okay, so let's play Slime Ranchers. Bye! You know.
What the heck? Look at that slime. Is that a cool slime, Doug?
What?
Is that a cool slime?
That's a tangle slime first. That's a wrangle slime.
A rainbow slime.
It's half rock slime and half tangle slime, right?
Yep.
Yes, today we're going to... Okay, so we're gonna...
There, eat that.
Whoa! Minecraft. My dad calls it Minecraft. Yeah, I know he hates video games. Jingle bells!
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bell sway, jingle bell floss, dancer and prancer, and look at that butt. We're not sponsored by Pokemon Assistance. By the way, we're not sponsored by Pokemon. Not Mon. And guys, I'll leave a link to Sterling's channel in the description below. And ow, I just got something in my eye.
Was the ghost pepper?
No. Guys, we're not sponsored by Calls of Duty's. And not sponsored by Monsters. And I wasn't drinking that. And sponsored by Pokemon, I already told you. Not sponsored by SpongeBob. Not sponsored by Poggos. Not sponsored by Jason. Not sponsored by Hulk. Not sponsored by Snowman. Is that my burger? Is that my burger down there?
Not sponsored by my butt.
Yeah, we're not sponsored by his butt, obviously. But we're sponsored by my butt. Right? Because I can sponsor myself. Not sponsored by hamburgers. Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Guys, comment down below if you guys have Star Wars Day. Guys, comment down below and if you guys have Star Wars Day at your school, because last year me and Sterling we did it was May 4th, because May the 4th be with you. May the 4th be with you. Dang it. Guys, we're is now sponsored by Wheel Hamburgers. Do you guys want to know an urban legend?
It's the zombie.
See, he's a zombie. Guys, this is an urban legend. So,
It's the zombie.
I'm going to tell you two. So first, the first one's called, I think it's called Yellow Curtains. So, it's about a little boy and a little girl. And it was about this whole family. The grandma told them not to buy yellow curtains because they were ugly. And then the rest of the family, and then the grandma died. And then the family, they went and bought the yellow curtain. They went to go buy yellow curtain. They went to go buy curtains at a store, but they could only find yellow one. So they gave up and they bought the yellow one.